How to hide your friends on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will show you how to hide your friends on Snapchat. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, launch your Snapchat application in your mobile device. After that, head towards your chat tab, so tap on the chat icon. So once you are here, Snapchat does not have a direct hide friend button like other platforms, but there are other few clever ways to keep your friend list private. So if you want to hide your friend from your chat screen, here's how you can do it. So once you're on your chat page, find the friend that you want to hide. Tap and hold on it. From here, tap on Chat and Notification Settings. So here, you have to select the first option, that is Clear from Chat Feed. So this will not unfriend them, but it will just remove from your chat tab. But whenever you send this friend a message, or if this friend sends you a message, again your friend will appear in your chat tab. So that's the only way to hide friends on Snapchat, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.